Welcome to a step-by-step video that will walk you through how to create your very own DeFi wallet on the Kraken app. So let's begin. First things first, go ahead and search for the Kraken wallet app on the App Store or Google Play Store, and once you found it, simply download and open it. Next, you can either import a wallet if you already have one or simply create a new one. So I'm going to click on Create New Wallet. Then wait for it to set up. You're going to have to back it up using a 12-word recovery phrase. This will ensure you always have access to it. Or you can simply skip and set it up later. And in order to protect your wallet, you're going to have to secure it using touch identification, facial identification, or simply using a passcode. Now choose whether or not you'd like to receive notifications. If yes, then select Allow. And wait for it to finish securing your wallet. Finally, go ahead and click on Agree and Continue. Alright, so our wallet is now set up. Let's go ahead and look at some of the features. Firstly, your balance is going to be displayed at the top. And if you'd like to access more info about your wallet, simply head over to the drop-down icon at the top of the screen. You'd then be able to backup, edit, or delete by clicking the 3 dots. You can also create an extra wallet by selecting Create Wallet. And after verifying your identity, your other wallet will be successfully created. You can also choose to back them all up by selecting Backup. You're going to be provided with a string of 12 words that can be used to gain access to your wallet. So simply arrange the words in order from 1 all the way to 12. This will be your new secret phrase. Once you do that, your wallet will be backed up. In case you may want to transfer your NFTs or crypto from your wallet to another, just simply select Send and enter the destination address of the receiver. And alternatively, if you want to receive crypto into your wallet, go ahead and click Receive. Select the asset and use the QR code or address to send it to your wallet. And in case you'd like to connect your wallet to decentralized apps, simply click on the scan icon in the top right. Finally, in order to manage your wallets, head over to the settings, click on Manage Wallets, and here you can choose to view your recovery phrase or edit your wallet name. Now heading back, we can also choose to set up an app lock, meaning you'll always be required to enter a code when opening the app. Or you can choose to set up password protection, meaning you'd always be required to enter a password when accessing certain features in the app. That's it for now. If you found this video insightful, please let us know in the comments, and of course like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.